Huawei is stepping up its audio game with the launch of the FreeBuds Pro 4, and they're not just another pair of earbuds. With the revolutionary HarmonyOS Next at their core, these earbuds promise a new level of innovation in wireless audio. From cutting-edge sound quality to advanced noise cancellation and smart features, the FreeBuds Pro 4 are here to make waves. Let's dive into everything these game-changing earbuds bring to the table. Huawei's FreeBuds Pro 4 maintains the signature in-ear look that fans of the series are familiar with, but they've made some really thoughtful upgrades that scream premium. I believe Huawei didn't just aim for functionality here, they aimed for style. The earbud handles now feature a spectrum silver string detail, which has been finely carved using advanced UV laser technology. This isn't just a design gimmick, it adds a level of sophistication that sets these earbuds apart from the typical glossy or matte finishes we see so often. And then there's the charging case. Huawei added a ceramic plate on the back, which, according to them, is as solid as a rock. What I find interesting is that the ceramic element doesn't just offer durability, but also blends seamlessly with the glossy finish of the case, giving it a polished, modern look. Color-wise, you've got options to match your vibe. The earbuds come in obsidian black, snow white, and spruce green. Personally, I think the spruce green is a bold choice and adds a bit of personality to your tech. As for portability, the earbuds are super compact and lightweight. Each earbud weighs just 5.8 grams, making them ideal for all-day wear. Pair that with the charging case weighing about 47 grams, and you've got a device that's both pocket-friendly and stylish. When it comes to sound quality, Huawei has absolutely outdone itself. Let's be real, sound quality can make or break a pair of earbuds. I believe the FreeBuds Pro 4 will safely satisfy even the pickiest audiophiles out there. These earbuds feature dual acoustic drivers, which can deliver sound frequencies up to 48,000 Hz and 24 bits. For those of you who aren't familiar with these numbers, it essentially means you'll hear music the way it was meant to be heard. Every instrument, every beat, and every tiny detail will come through crystal clear. Another key feature is the integration of LTHC 4.0 codec and 2.3 Mbps lossless transmission. This ensures that even when streaming music wirelessly, you're getting the highest quality audio possible. Huawei has also secured high-res and HWA certifications, which is a big deal in the world of sound. The Huawei sound technology is also worth mentioning. It replaces the Violet tech used in previous models and brings in its own unique flavor to the listening experience. With 2 sound effect modes, you can switch between audio styles, depending on what you're in the mood for, whether it's booming bass for a party playlist or crisp vocals for a podcast. Noise cancellation is one of those features that you don't realize you need until you experience it, and I believe the FreeBuds Pro 4 is setting a new benchmark in this area. These earbuds can block out up to 100 decibels of noise, which is absolutely incredible. Imagine being in a crowded cafe or on a noisy flight and still being able to enjoy your music or podcast without any distractions. What really stands out to me, though, is how well they handle wind noise. Whether you're out for a jog or biking on a windy day, the earbuds can handle wind speeds of up to 10 miles per second without compromising sound quality. That's a huge win for outdoor enthusiasts. And let's not forget the 3-stage memory earplugs. These adapt to the shape of your ears for an even better seal, which not only enhances noise cancellation, but also makes the earbuds super comfortable for long listening sessions. Moving on to calls, because let's face it, earbuds are about more than just music. Huawei is introducing two-way silent call, which uses advanced tech to ensure your voice comes through crystal clear even in noisy environments. The secret here is the AI noise reduction algorithm, which actively filters out background noise. So whether you're in a bustling airport or stuck in traffic, your calls will still sound professional and clear. What I find particularly exciting is how well this feature complements the overall versatility of the FreeBuds Pro 4. They're not just great for casual listening, they're also ideal for work calls, video conferences, or catching up with friends. Here's where things get really interesting. The FreeBuds Pro 4 are powered by Huawei's HarmonyOS Next, and I believe this is what makes them truly stand out from the competition. With HarmonyOS Next, the earbuds offer seamless multi-device connections. Imagine this, you're watching a video on your tablet and you get a call on your phone. The earbuds will automatically switch to the phone so you can take the call. No manual pairing required. Another game-changing feature is spatial audio, which delivers an ultra-immersive listening experience. Whether you're gaming or watching a movie, the sound will feel like it's coming from all around you. Plus, with reduced latency and improved accuracy, This tech is perfect for gamers who rely on pinpoint audio cues. One thing I really appreciate about the FreeBuds Pro 4 is how smart they are. Huawei has packed these earbuds with features designed to make your life easier. For instance, there's smart tracking, which lets you control calls with simple head gestures. Nod your head to answer a call or shake it to reject. It's that easy. And if you're someone who tends to misplace things, guilty, you'll love the long-distance map positioning feature. It helps you locate your earbuds, and there's even a lost reminder that alerts you if the earbuds disconnect from your phone. Let's not forget about Celia, Huawei's AI assistant. With Celia, you can play music, set reminders, or even get translations on the go. Speaking of translations, the earbuds support face-to-face translations in 21 languages, making them a must-have for travelers. Battery life is often a deal breaker for wireless earbuds, but I believe Huawei has nailed it with the FreeBuds Pro 4. Each earbud comes with a 55 mAh battery, while the charging case houses a 510 mAh battery. Combined, they offer up to 33 hours of playback. That's more than enough to get you through a full day of use. What's even better is the fast charging. The earbuds can fully charge in just 60 minutes via wired charging, and wireless charging takes around 150 minutes. Plus, the smart charging feature extends battery life by learning your charging habits, which is a thoughtful touch. The touch controls on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 are designed to make your listening experience seamless and hassle-free. With just a simple tap or swipe, you can take full command of your audio without needing to reach for your device. Want to play or pause your music? A quick tap gets the job done. Adjusting the volume is easy as a gentle swipe up or down on the earbud stem. Receiving a call? You can answer it with a tap or reject it with a swipe, ensuring you stay connected on your terms. The controls even allow you to switch between different noise cancellation modes effortlessly, letting you adapt to your environment in real time. Whether you're navigating a busy commute, working out, or just relaxing at home, these intuitive touch controls provide a level of convenience that elevates the overall user experience. Huawei has truly designed these controls with practicality and ease of use in mind, making them a standout feature of the FreeBuds Pro 4. Finally, let's talk about pricing and availability. The FreeBuds Pro 4 are priced at 1,499 yuan, which is roughly $205 US, or 18,000 rupees. They'll be available for pre-order in China starting now and will officially go on sale on December 4th. For the features and quality you're getting, I think the price is more than reasonable. These earbuds are packed with premium features that rival some of the best in the market, making them a great value for your money. So, that's the scoop on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4. From their sleek design to the incredible sound quality, advanced noise cancellation, and smart features, I believe these earbuds are going to be a game changer in the world of wireless audio. But now I want to hear from you. Are the FreeBuds Pro 4 something you'd consider buying? Or do you think another brand has the upper hand? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.